We're delighted to announce on behalf of Chichester Developments, the well-known and respected local developers, that we're preparing the launch of a brand new phase, the first phase of a selection of properties to be built within striking distance of the coast on the edge of Westward Ho, which is a great location in North Devon. These traditionally built energy efficient homes will range from 2, 3, 4 and 5 bedroomed houses. They will be as normal from Chichester, beautifully equipped and beautifully finished throughout. This new scheme is to be known as Buckleigh Meadows, and Buckleigh Meadows is in such a convenient location. It's within 2 miles of Bideford, which has all of the local facilities that you would need. It's a short drive from Appledore, right on the coast. What a great location. And the A39 is close by as well, so that you can drive into North Cornwall or the broader North Devon location. If you're interested in this site and you would like to be kept informed as one of our VIPs, then please contact our New Homes team. Telephone number is 01237 426 010. And our New Homes team will be pleased to keep you informed of all the news as we move forward with Buckleigh Meadows, this exciting new development on the edge of Westward Ho. We look forward to hearing from you.